Meaning of dull.
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 Dull. The term dull refers to something that lacks interest, liveliness, or excitement. It is often used to describe things that are boring, uninteresting, or monotonous. When something is described as dull, it typically implies a lack of activity, stimulation, or engagement. This can apply to both physical and mental states, such as a dull ache or a dull conversation. Overall, dull is a negative term that signifies a lack of energy, enthusiasm, or creativity, and can lead to feelings of lethargy, apathy, or disinterest.